Thank you so much for those who are joining us today. I am your girl, Elaine Forbes Daisley, and we are here another Tuesday evening when we are live doing QuickBooks Online live demo. And today we're going to show you how to navigate the new QuickBooks. So welcome to those who are on YouTube. Welcome to those who are on the Facebook page and in the Facebook group. And we are going to jump on Instagram as well. So we are tri-casting today. Yes. And if you've been following me for any time, you also know, why can't I do this? You also know that that it's social media and Elaine likes to be social. So make sure you say hello, Elaine. So we're adding the other platforms. We're adding the other platform. How is everybody doing? Long time no see. I know. But we're getting ready. We are in launch mode as well. Let's make sure we get these platform all going. uh, QuickBooks Online. We add a title. We're multitasking. Let's make sure we turn the camera around because y'all know. Uh, hey. Hi, everyone over on Sam will call you QuickBooks. Over here on Instagram, welcome. Thank you so much for those who are joining. And we actually need to share this broadcast. And what? Okay, here it is. Share. We're gonna share it to a group. I don't know if it's already shared to the group. You know what? Let me check. Cause y'all know. Hello, welcome. Thank you for those who are joining. Y'all know. Hey, someone. Now listen. If you're on Facebook, please say hello from Facebook, because if you say hello, say, hey, it's so and so, because I cannot see your name. You know what? Let me do this. I can't see you. If you just say hello, I won't see who it is because it just says Facebook user. So we're going to be navigating. I'm just going to go over, Lord, help me, Jesus. I got to beg Jesus to help me. We want to make sure that this is showing up in the group. So if you're on the page, hello, Louis, welcome. Thank you so much for coming on in. So we're getting ready. I don't know what's happening over here. I can't seem to navigate. Um, all right, let's do this. Y'all know we multitask. So we're going to be talking about QuickBooks. Basically, that's what we're going to be talking about. I'm going to pull up the. Why can't I see it again? All right, there it is. All right, and let me share. I don't know what I'm doing. I hope I don't overshare. All right. Okay, there we go. All right. Welcome and thank you all for those who are watching me live on Facebook. You know, it's social media and Elaine likes to be social, so make sure you say hello, Elaine. And if you did, I don't know, I can't navigate this anymore. Chat. Okay. I am trying. Okay. I don't know. Oh, Lord. Okay, there it is. Okay. Now I'm seeing it. Hello, welcome. Thank you for those who are joining on the page, in the group, wherever you're joining me from. So we're going to get ready to navigate QuickBooks. All right. So disclaimer, we're actually using the sample QuickBooks Online. So if I talk about a feature and we're not able to show that feature, it's because it's not live in the online, in the sample version, right? In the sample version. So let's go ahead and we're going to navigate QuickBooks. We're going to show you how to navigate. And if you notice on the screen, it says take a tour of your home page. So QuickBooks has constantly update almost every month they're updating. They have several updates. So we're just going to navigate the home page. And so if you have any question, feel free to put your question in the chat. And I'll be more than happy to answer it. If you are not here live and you catch this video after the fact, please put a comment below and I'll be more than happy to answer any question that you have about QuickBooks Online. I'm a certified QuickBooks Pro advisor. I've been using QuickBooks for 27 years. OMG, that's a long time. That's the lifetime of one of my child. I will not say which one because I don't want to get in any trouble, but that's a lifetime of one of my child. I've been using QuickBooks for 27 years. I've been doing accounting for over 4.5 decades. So I'm old in this. But let's go get on to navigating QuickBooks. Um, let's do this. Let's okay, there we go. We just want to make sure that we are all right. Now I gotta move this over so I can actually see my actual screen. All right, so now you should be able to see my QuickBooks. This is my QuickBooks. And QuickBooks update do a general update about September of each year when they make their major updates. However, they're constantly improving on the software and changing stuff, right? And changing stuff. So we're going to take a tour this evening of the home page and we're going to navigate a couple stuff. So it says take a tour. We're just going to take their tour. Okay. So this is new. So see the home page, partner with the right expert. So it shows you can get an expert right here. You can get an accounting pro advisor. So that's one right here. If you need help, you can click on this button right here. And this is going to bring up the assistant. It's connecting. All right. Now, remember, we're using the sample version. And some of these are not live, so we might not be able to navigate it. Now, this shows you, oh my OMG, MailChimp was bought out by QuickBooks, and it shows you the different apps right at the top right here. And it can show you where you can find the apps. These are just some common ones: payroll, time. And then we have this is the search feature. If you want to search for something in QuickBooks, you can do that search right here. And this bell is notification. Now, remember that we're using the sample version. If you're over on IG and you want to see this live, you can click on the top of the screen and go to the link in my bio, and you'll be able to jump on over on YouTube, or the Elaine Forbes, or at the Elaine Forbes over in YouTube. So that's the notification button. Remember, this is a sample company, so you would not be able to see anything in here. Now, this is the gear icon. This also have navigations for QuickBooks. So your company information is under here. All the lists that you use in QuickBooks is here. Tools are under here, and your profile, subscription, feedback. And this is where you can switch to the business view. Okay, so this is actually telling me that I'm in the accountant view. But if I switch to the business view, let's go to the business view. So this is what the business view look like. So the business view will give you the task up here, shortcuts, the bank information, profit to loss for the month, expenses, invoices. It will give you a little trend in your cash, and they will also have suggestion. So this is the business view. And you can customize the layout. You can customize the layout. So let's go right back here, and we're going to switch to accountant view. Normally, I view in the accountant view because I'm working on someone else's account. Okay, so you might want to see yours in the business view. It gives you an overview of what is happening inside of your QuickBooks. So that's the panel right here. And let me switch back to the accountant view. All right, guys, and remember when you jump in to say hello, Elaine, because it's social media and Elaine like to be social. Hey, Angie's Wisdom, thank you so much for joining over here on Instagram, because we're live on Instagram, and we're also live in the Facebook group and on YouTube. If you jump on Instagram, we're doing a live navigating of QuickBooks Online. It is on YouTube, or it's on the Forbes Business Solution page on Facebook. So if you want to see the screen that I'm looking at and see what I'm doing, feel free to jump either over to the Facebook page or on YouTube. Also, guys, I'm going to show you this, but if you want more of this, in the comment below, because we're getting ready to have a challenge, a Love Your Books challenge that's coming up. So let's go ahead and navigate through this. So this is the accountant view. It pretty much, I don't know if it changed it. It looks the same, right? I don't know. It looks the same to me. It looks the same. All right. So this left panel here, this dark left panel here, if you need some more space on your page to work on, you can just click this. They call this the hamburger. It has a little arrow. You click that. Now you have more space to work on your page, right? Now you have more space. If you want to see the navigation bar to the left, that's right here. You can also navigate from this gear icon. Most of the stuff you can navigate some stuff from the gear icon. So you want to be able to make sure that you can navigate this stuff. And then this is new, probably since September. This is new. The bookmark, you can actually bookmark a certain page. So we're going to go right here, and this little, oh Lord, bookmark, and now it moves it right under the bookmark. So if there are certain things that you do all the time that you want to see, like I'm on bank transaction, where is my cash flow? Okay, this one does not have the cash flow in. So I want to see my sales overview. I want to see, let's say I want to see No, no, no. I want to see my mileage. I want to keep track of my mileage. I could just click on that. And so when I open, they're all the way to the top. They're all the way to the top. See where it says bookmark? They're all the way to the top. And then below is your menu. And on your menu, you have the home page, and then you have the planner. This is where you can start do your cash flow planning. This is not going to be a part of this discussion. We will have one session where we talk about cash flow planning, but we're going to talk about a home screen. And then prior to September, this is now called transaction on the, so you have your dashboard and transaction, your bank transaction. Now, if it is, so you can click on that from right there. And this will have your bank. And this is going to tell us it's not connected because we're using a sample company. So we're just going to close out of it. Your checking, your saving, your credit cards account is right here. That's your transaction. This is app transaction. So if you're using an app that's connected like Square, Shopify, Stripe, this is for the app transaction. So if you click on it, it will show you the different apps, right? And you can connect Amazon Business. And there are several others that you can connect. All right. And receipts. Now, the same things that are down here, they are top across top here, right? This is new. Recurring transaction. This one is new. This one is new. So prior you had bank, apps, receipt, reconcile, rules. These are new. So now you have your recurring transaction right at the top right there. So the transaction, these are all there. And then if you go to your sales, you have the sales overview, all your sales, customer estimates, all of that is under that tab. Then expense has your expense, your bills, your vendor, your contractors, and your mileage. This is new, customer leads and marketing, because remember, we just saw up here MailChimp. I've not used the customer leads. I do not know how it works. I've not gone into using it. All right. And then we have our reports. Reports, this is where your report center, and this gives you all your report. You can favorite your report. You can take off the favorite, right? Now you can navigate. This is the business reports. This is who you owe, sales and customer, what you owe, expense and vendor. We have sales taxes, employee. This is for your accountant, and this is payroll. To find a report, you can either scroll down or you can type the report name right up here. I'm in the wrong. I'm telling you, I have two keyboard on my desk, and all right. So you can click on the report right from there. And there's nothing set up in here. So, all right. So that's the report. And then if you can use QuickBooks Time, that's the time. Now, this is the advanced version where you can do a budget, your taxes, your sales tax, income tax, and 1099 filing. And then this is if you have a loan inside of QuickBooks. And like I said, commerce is kind of new. And this is where you can also get the apps. So you can either navigate the apps at the top right here, or you can find your app right here. You can, let me see, find an app, and you can type Clover, 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 Snyder. Let me see who else. Let me see if anybody else. MONDA. Glance. Nope. So Expensify. If you wanted to connect your Expensify, that's where you would have gotten it. We'll do apps another time, but this is just to show you how to navigate to where you can find these. And so you can do the overview, and you can put this right to the top. So now we have apps, mileage, sales. All right. That is how you would navigate QuickBooks. So that was it for today. We were just navigating QuickBooks, show you some of the things that they have. And let's go back to the dashboard. And this is the home. It shows you the shortcut. I am going to try again to see if I can switch. Oh, that was the business view. Let's go back to the accountant view. All right, so it looks like it's not allowing me to go back to the accountant view. Okay. So guys, it looks like we're stuck inside of the, I don't know. It looks the same to me. You're viewing it in the accountant view. So this is the accountant view. Don't look different. Okay, let's close this. Looks the same, right? Yeah, it does look the same. All right, guys. So thank you so much. Hey, Stepper, welcome. Thank you so much for joining me. We were just doing navigating to QuickBooks Online. And guys, if you have a business, if you're using QuickBooks and you need help with QuickBooks, we are doing the Love Your Books Challenge. We're doing the Love Your Books Challenge that starts February 19th. It starts on Monday. The link is below on the in the YouTube and the Facebook. On Instagram, you can click the link in my bio and there will be the challenge. You can sign up for the challenge. Make sure, guys, that you sign up if you are using QuickBooks, because this will help you to have your accounting ready to file your taxes. Yes, to file your taxes. So I'll be back on YouTube next week with another version of QuickBooks Online. We'll be talking more about QuickBooks Online. We're going to probably show you how about your charts of account. If you want to hear about your charts of account, categorizing your expense, and all that good stuff inside of QuickBooks, feel free to join the challenge. And next week we will have another session of how to navigate. We're going to be navigating QuickBooks, and we're going to show you different aspects. So we're probably going to go start at bank transaction, because that's where most people go to the bank transaction. Or we're going to start a transaction and start at the charts of account, your charts of account, and show you how to navigate your charts of account. So guys, thank you so much for joining me, and I'll be back on you. I'll be back next week on YouTube every Tuesday at about 6:30-ish Eastern Standard Time. I come on and share something about QuickBooks Online. Instagram, I'll see you tomorrow. Facebook Live, I'll see you tomorrow. Have a great, great rest of your evening, and I will be back. Bye.